Hello, Jess here from nigezza.co.uk. I'm here with another gift wrap that looks pretty, but it's a cheapo gift inside. And so this is my, well, it's not really my prototype, but this is Sun number ones, which I've done with some retired DSP. This was Celebration last year. I bought about, well, I didn't buy any of them because they're all free, but I got about 3 packs and I've been using them all year for different things. So what's in there? Do you know, I haven't got the one for the next one. So what's in there is a net of coins. Now my sons might be grown up adults, but if they don't get chocolate coins for Christmas, then, well, it's just not Christmas, is it? So Liam likes white chocolate, so that's got white chocolate ones in there with the silver wrapper, and James has the milk chocolate ones. So I'm going to redo that, but in colours for James, and so I'm using the Joyous Noel paper, which I think sold out in it, but clearly a lot of you have got it, otherwise it wouldn't be sold out, would it? So I was showing you a way of using it. So this is 5 inches by 12 inches. So you can get 2 out of a 12 by 12. Just realised I haven't got my scoreboard. As ever, I am so... Oh, I've got everything else. Always forget something. Okay, now I've made these triangular boxes before. I didn't make it up. Lots of people make them. But, you know, your different sizes for whatever you're making. So I did several prototypes of trying to get the best size. I did 12 by 6, that was just too wide. I discovered 5 was optimal. I tried it at 10 inches, that didn't work. And this is what worked the best. These are Tesco ones, Tesco toy coins I bought. And they worked best for that. So score it in half, so you're scoring it at 12, and then you need to do a notch about halfway. So not about, you need to do it at halfway. So 2.5 there at the top, 2.5 there at the bottom, and then I've got a line drawn down the centre of my scoreboard. I've also got one there that's at the middle of a card. So what you're doing, this helps to do diagonal lines. So your little notch, I can't see them myself. Yes, I'll do it that way. The little notch there goes at the top of the line, and your middle crease there goes at the bottom of the line, and then you just score your diagonal. You could do this with a ruler on a sort of a padded mat. If you haven't got a scoreboard, you can do it on the trimmer if you've got a trimmer. I'm just using my scoreboard because I've drawn the lines and it's here and it's easy. And this is a no glue project, which is quite nice. So I will possibly be able to repurpose this at the end of Crimbo, because they will give me the packaging back. So we just need to fold and burnish those score lines. Love this paper. Every catalogue, there's like paper that I just love and adore, and you think, oh, I don't want it to go, and then there's more paper that you love and adore. So, and that's it really, that's your box, so that fits in there quite nicely. That label was a pain in the pain. Folds up there, fits beautiful. So you just need to get some holes. I just realised I haven't got the crocodile either. So I cropped a hole, take that out. So got it so that those ends match. Got this set at 1/2 inch. Hole. Do the same on the other side. So you're going down where that sort of meets there at a diagonal, and then your holes will be in the same place at both sides, which is brilliant. And my idea was I was going to use the Merry Merlot ribbon with the copper on one side and Merry Merlot on the other, because I was going to use the bit of paper that had Merry Merlot on it, but I didn't have a piece big enough because I've used it that much. So it was whether or not I was going to use that or the Tranquil Tide velvet. So I might, because I'm going to use the Tranquil Tide glimmer for the bit round there. So yeah, I think I might use this. I'll get to the end of it, which is okay because we're getting to the end of the catalogue. So that works out nice. I won't have a lot left over. So I just need to poke that through the hole. It's a little bit easier to do one side than the other. Find my pokey tool. Pull it out and poke through the other side. Down there and up there, and that sort of pulls it quite nicely, and twist it round so that the velvet's coming out. And then we've got to be clever now to make sure that the velvet is the bit that's on the loops as we pull it through. I don't mind the bit in the middle not being velvet, but I want the tails and the loops to be the velvet showing. So I might just have to fiddle a bit. Oh, pulled that too much. Are you a bit fed up of Christmas projects now? I always get to that point when I'm fed up, when I decide I want to watch some crafting on YouTube. It's like, not another Christmas project. Are you getting to that stage? Right, so that's the green one. I'm not going to cut it right now because I'm not sure that I want to keep it, and I don't want to cut the ribbon just in case. Right, now the little centerpiece, I did that with the daisy punch. I cut two, layered it up. I was kind of going for a sort of a star look. And I think it looks all right. I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. So I'll cut 2 of them. Love this glimmer paper, so beautiful. This is going to be used for quite a few little Christmas bits for the table and that. And then I just kind of stick them together and stick them on the centre of that there. This one I put some silver thread behind it. I haven't got any gold or copper thread, so this one won't have that. So let's get this stuck down. Use some fast fuse. It's quite resistive to adhesion, but that worked marvellous. Right. That'll be enough. Ooh. Stick that there on the front, and then I've got a bit of scrap of Whisper White. I'm using the Merry Little Christmas from the Peaceful Noel. That has been one of my most used sentiments. Bit of Tranquil Tide. Merry Little Christmas. Using the scalloped circle punch, the 1 3/8 of an inch one. Going to use a dimensional to stick that up, but before I do, I put some rhinestones on the other. This one I think I'm going to use, don't have anything copper, but I'm going to use these faceted gems, I think. These are the smallest of them. There we go. Put a couple of dimensionals on the back of this because it's going on glimmer paper and I want to make sure that it sticks. 3 might be over the top, but hey, it's Christmas. Stick that in the middle. And then it's whether or not I like that bow or if I should have that bow in copper. And it's got red in it. I don't think that'll work. We'll stick with this one. There we go. And that is my little chocolate treat. That is quite a pretty little box to go under the tree, and it's just got chocolate coins on, but makes it look nice, doesn't it? All the details on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. And yeah, hope you like that. Hope you have a lovely Christmas, and I'm not quite sure when this is going out, but it will be before Christmas. Okay, see you soon.